It is 4:04 right now on February 17th, 2003. And as you can see in my backyard, the snow is still coming down hard outside. It's been snowing since yesterday afternoon. If we can look here, how the snow is off the ground in my deck. Yep. Look at that. That's all snow. That is all snow. Look, it went halfway up those bushes. Those bushes are almost covered in snow. It's my backyard right there. You can see my front yard. There's some crazy guy out there in the snow trying to get all that snow out of his garage. Look at all that. Let me see if I can get a view of the Mercedes. Look at that. It is now Tuesday, February 18th to 11, and it has finally stopped snowing. It stopped snowing sometime last night. This is my deck. This morning, some people shoveled our driveway and our walkway to our front door. Wow, look at all that snow.